Welcome back to the vlog, guys. For a little spring break fun, we went on a hike called Silver Falls, and Ashley needed a fuel from Black Rock. Her Black Rock drink, and I have my Dutch Bros drink. And we needed to go to Dutch Bros for coffee, like obviously.
Rich people.
Taste test. We made it into the farmlands in rural Oregon. We actually saw some cows, so that was fun. Finally, we came to the hike. There's actually a couple waterfalls we can see from like this area. So we start on our hikes. North Falls Trail, there's like 10 or something. We only went to go see 3 of them. Beautiful river I keep taking videos of.
Sapileska! Good morning, girls!
Then we were plotting.
And we come to this one.
We made our way to our first waterfall. Then we saw this little waterfall making our way to the bigger waterfall. So I had to touch it. Stayed there for a few minutes, then made our way back. This was the second waterfall we saw. We saw it kind of from afar, and we were gonna hike down to it, but it would have taken too long. Then we drove to our next destination. I think this one is actually called Silver Falls. We saw a cozy log cabin cafe on the map. And it's closed. The waterfalls. Then we ate lunch, but I forgot to film it because we were grubbing. Right there is the edge of the waterfall. It's crazy. Also so pretty. Being right at the top of a waterfall is so cool. You're gonna get every angle of this waterfall, so just buckle in and enjoy the sights. And to get behind the waterfall, you have to go underneath the rock, and it's so scary.
It's okay.
So pretty, makes you feel so small compared to all the water and the rock. Right underneath, it's kind of crazy because there's like this huge cave that you walk underneath, and all the waterfall from is on top of you. So it's like, is it gonna cave in? When I get to the other side, all angles, like I said before. How pretty. Insane. Wow. This was our last waterfall. Mom's live. Mom went live on Instagram.
Live. And she's filming. Show it to the camera.
Oh!
Wait, how many are in Zoom? Live? He's watching.
We were all in sync walking up the hill. And then when we came back, I was feeling a little nauseous. So thankfully, we went to McDonald's, ate a little bit, and that was the end of our trip. Bye, guys.